Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. Hello guys, let's see the trapezius muscle which is on the back side of the human body. If you could see, I've done the front pectoral muscles or pectoralis major, and we have some block for the deltoid muscle, the shoulder cups. To that extension, now we are going to do the trapezius muscle. So I'm going to pick the back view and I'll talk a little bit about trapezius muscle. If you could see here, this is coming from the bottom of the skull, from the back side. It starts from there. I think I can show you a better image here. Okay, it starts from the bottom of the skull, so it all the way comes down, and you should able to see some nice landmarks here, which is the bone landmarks, the vertebra visible there, and it's very prominent here. It's very wide, and then you could see the later vertebra also. You're getting that nice shapes. It's going to the scapula, and from scapula it extending till the center of the spine here. Okay, and you should able to see there is a split here. You get a sort of split like shape, a small separation. You should able to see that. Okay, so these are few observations about modeling the trapezius. So let's get started with that. So I'm going to select the midline here, this one, go to the back view and start extending that through the outline of the neck here. Okay, so that generally takes you through the flow. As I told you, it should go till the bottom of the skull. So I'll go to the side view and see what's happening there. So this line has to go like that. Okay, that way. So let's try to match the side view reference here, and also respect the flow of the polygons in the side view as well, like that. And one thing, if you could see, there is a line given here, so I'm going to extend this line till there, and then just match that line too, like that. If you just keep the references on for the front view, you should able to see that's visible from the front, which is this muscle. Okay, so I'll come to the front view, and this line should slightly come inside, like that. So I just select this model, display polygons, backface culling off, so you should able to see the flow. Go to the back view, sometimes the front and back views doesn't match, so it's okay. You need to respect any of that vertex only. In the perspective view. So I'm going to select these 3 lines. I'm going to back view again and then just drag it till here, till this point, and then move these points like that. Now in the side view, just try to match it like that. I'll merge the vertex points, shift right click and then merge the vertex points. And here also I need to merge these 2 vertex points, shift right click and then you got the merge vertices to the center. So come back to the back view here and start adding more lines here. So select that lines, extrude till this point and then move the points like that. Merge the 2 vertices and then go back to the back and also the side view. Okay, if you could able to see, these points are going in. And then start bringing these lines also. This is the deltoid outline, so select that and then move it to the center like that. I'm going to select this side and then try to make it round. And then start connecting these lines. So I'm using this insert edge loop tool. And just connect these lines here. Merge, merge and merge. Okay, so getting that nice back flow here, which is the trapezius. And now I'm going to select these lines and extrude it to the center. Make sure that you are scaling it to the straight line and use a grid snap and then slightly move it inside to give that cavity which you generally have in the back. Now start sculpting the points to get that nice volume. I'll open the reference and then see what's happening here with the trapezius muscle. So you should able to see that is forming a trapezium shape. Let me show you. Okay, this is a shape which is generally it's taking up. So if you could see, this part is connected with the deltoids, and we have a split here like that. Now here you got that shape which I have done. Okay, now from there it should go like that, so this way. Now what happens here is you have a group of muscles like rhomboid muscle, teres minor muscle. So you got all that muscles here which we can generally create in the later part. So we have to extend our muscle till here. Okay, So I'll go to the back view. Let me open outliner and see there is a back one camera which I have created. What is this then? Okay, this is perspective. I am going to hide it. I think I should hide all these cameras. Okay. Now I'm going to select these all lines. See the trapezius muzzle is very short. I'll just think I'm just trying to see where this is going. Fine. I could see from this triceps muscle detail it's straight, so I'm just trying to roughly put that till there. Okay, that's where I want to stop it, and then go to the side view and then just try to make it inside, and then start moving these points into the shape what this muzzle should look like. Okay, we have to use the multi-cut tool and then start cutting this faces. And I'll just try to move this point so that I get some flow there. Like that. So I'm using the split polygon tool and then fix the flow. Like that, and start adding lines. So I'm using the multi-cut tool and adding lines there. When I've added the lines, I need to adjust the spacing. So I'm using the slide edge tool here, like that. Let's add a line here. Which gives that nice depth here. Okay. Like that. And this line I'll be sliding. Not sliding, I need to move it to give that shape. Here I need to relax the points because it's creating a very sharp detail like that. The density of the lines can be further added when we start building our arm, but it's right now perfectly okay to ignore. I'm just trying to move this joint to from one level to other level, because I'm just thinking about this set of muscles which are basically starting from this point here. So these are the places where I get that. So I have to merge these two vertex points and then add a line here and then again merge them. I'm just taking that nice roundness on the bottom. Again, this area is very unique in terms of the details, and the reason is generally when we close our shoulder blades, open our shoulder blades, certain times shoulder blades will become so prominent. So it depends on the pose what we are actually dealing. So Just to fix the triangle, I have to add this line. This area gets more lines, don't worry. And I'm not adding lines at this point because when we start building the arm, it automatically goes there. So I'm keeping that thing in mind, and I'm not really adding lines at this point. Okay, so that's the trapezius muscle for you, with some groups which are basically rhomboid, teres minor and teres major muscles which are there here. So I've just created that space for them. And now after this we have the latissimus dorsi muscle and thoracolumbar fascia muscles to be built here, which I'll continue in the next video. Stay tuned.